Top 7. Best pliers set. However, when it's time to choose the right pliers set, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best pliers set on the market today, so if you're interested in what pliers set will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best overall. Knipex Tools Cobra Water Pump Pliers. Number 2. Runner-up. Irwin Vice Grip Diagonal Cutting Pliers. Number 3. Best budget. Knipex Tools Long Nose Pliers with Cutter.
Knipex long nose pliers ensure an easy grip in confined spaces. These half-round tapered jaws are longer and narrower to reach where other pliers can't. The tool's unique elastic precision tips are stronger and more flexible to withstand twisting and bending without breaking. With a serrated gripping surface, Knipex long nose pliers provide a more secure grip with less slipping. They feature an integrated side cutter with induction-hardened edges for cutting soft, medium, and hard wire. The Knipex long nose pliers are available in 3 different handle styles. The plastic-coated handles put less strain and stress on hands and wrists, while the comfort grip handles provide a wider grip. 2-component 1000-volt insulated handles that meet or exceed ASTM and IEC standards are also available. When working in tight spaces, only Knipex long nose pliers give you the precision and grip you need. No other long nose pliers come close. Remember these important features of Knipex long nose pliers. The long tapered jaws make reaching into confined spaces easy. The elastic precision tips, a serrated gripping jaw surface, precision induction hardened cutting edges, and they cut soft, medium, and hard wire.
Number 4. Klein Tools 9-inch High Leverage Pliers. Number 5. Southwire 9 High Leverage Side Cutting Pliers. Number 6. Klein Tools D511-10 Slip Joint Pliers. Number 7. Aries 71100 Flexible Hose Clamp Plier. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.